The 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a standard transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, skid plates, and much more. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.